Today we're going to show you how to use Vital Performance little supplement containers or any other kind of containers like that. Have a nice little lid on it. These about 6 inches deep. We're going to use them to make potters. We're going to take our gun here, put this little piece in there, tighten it up. I know a lot of people use the little soldering iron, but I like to use this personally. You sit here, press it in a little bit, boom, done. We're gonna do 8 little holes here. Here, let's do a little pattern. There you go, right in between. Right in between those. I press down the plastic first and it just dries right in. About so. Doesn't have to be perfect, I just like to get 8 there on the bottom. Oops, that one broke a little bit. There you go. And to see what it looks like on the inside. Boom, we got holes. We got holes. So now we can put some a plant in here. Next, we're going to take some of our cilantro. I already did 4 earlier, but we've got a couple left. I'm going to put these 2 into this potter. So what we're first going to do is just open it up. It already has all the nice holes drilled. Boom. Just get some potting soil. Slap it in there. Put a few scoops. It's a 6-inch one, so go fairly deep. I'm gonna give it a little shake. See, it has some in there. There, give it a little shake. I think I need a little bit more. That should about do it. There, so I got some soil in there. I'm gonna take my cilantro out. Pretty easy. I have to dig into that bottom with my finger. Squeeze the bottom a little bit. Let's give it a little pull. Yeah, got some of those roots that it was ready to go because it was getting crammed inside this little thing. So I'm gonna just kind of break off some of these roots at the end so we'll get some new root growth. There we go. So we just put that in there. I want it to be below the rim of it, so I make a little hole. Just put a little hole in there. Stick it down inside. Some more soil. Fill it in. A little harder to get in this container, it seems, because due to the opening, but what a great way if you're going to be using supplements. Might as well be saving these $40 containers. You get your money's worth out of them. Let's fill this last part in here. Just fill it up to the top. Give a little support there. Good. Right there. Planted cilantro right inside our supplements container. Pretty cool. Like and subscribe.